I'm going to teach you how to sell your gift card on Carding app at high rate in this video tutorial. Make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Make sure you click on the like button to like this video and also share it for more people to see after you finish watching, guys. Now let's get started. This is how it goes. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for this application. Carding, you can see it, Carding. Go to Apple Store or Play Store and search for Carding. You can see it. Download it. And after you finish the download, you open it. Do you understand right now? Open it. After it's open, click any option down here and it's going to show you option like this. You can see login with email, login with Google. And you can see down here, you can see not yet register, sign up. Click on sign up, this down. And it's going to show you option like this. The first thing you can see email and phone number, which means you can decide to register with your phone number or with email. If it is phone number, you click on phone number and it will show you this option. If it is Gmail, you click on this Gmail and it will show you this option. Do you understand right now? And the next thing you are going to do, if it is phone number, select your country first, which is Nigeria. Put your phone number. Make sure it is active phone number because you are going to receive code with it. And after you put your phone number here, guys, the next thing you are going to do, you can see verification code. Leave it first. Jump to where it says password. Do you understand right now? Jump to where it says password. Make sure you write your password like this. Make sure you start with capital letter Godwin, for example. You understand? Add number at the front of it. And at the back, add any symbol like this, any symbol like this, any symbol like this. Do you understand? Repeat the password here. And the next thing you are going to do is invitation code. Guys, use this invitation code to register. The reason is this. If you use this invitation code, they are going to reward me. And they are going to give you a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira. But if you didn't use any invitation code to register, they won't give you any welcome bonus. That is it. But I will say, please use this invitation code so this website can reward me. Do you understand right now? And after you have done that, you come down here and click on sign up and sharp. And no, wait, before you click on sign up, go back to where it says verification code. You can see it here. You can see at the front of it, tap send. Tap on that send. And they are going to send code to your phone number or your Gmail, depending on which one you use. Take that code and put it here before it expires. Then after that, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to sell your gift card on Carding app at high rate, guys. Now let me log in and we'll continue. Guys, this is my account. I've logged in right now. Let me show you this is my balance. And let me show you something to let you know that I know what I'm doing. You can see my transaction. I've sold a lot of gift card on here. Let me go to down. I want to show you the amount. I've sell a lot of Apple card on here. You can see, where is it? You can see success. You can see where is it? Okay, you can see Apple iTunes. Do you understand right now? So to let you know that I've done a lot of transactions, you can see now that I've 490 something. Now let's continue, guys. This is how it is. You click on sell to sell your gift card right now. You click on sell. Do you understand right now? Select the categories of gift card you want to sell. Let's say Steam, for example. Now the country of your card. If your card is US card, UK card, select the country of it. Let's use US. The balance on your card. Let's say your card is $200. Write it here. Do you understand right now? Physical card. Do you understand? Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased on a physical store. That is physical card. E-code is a gift card that someone purchased online. Do you understand right now? On website. So they are going to send the code to that person's Gmail. That is what we call e-code or code. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are going to do is to write the code of your gift card here. And after you write the code of your gift card, you can click on sell. But if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, you can click on upload image like this, then click on upload from gallery. If you click upload from gallery, select the image of your gift card. Do you understand right now? And upload it. After you upload it, click on sell. And in a few seconds, it will say success. Then your account, your balance, your money will be available on your balance like this. Do you understand right now? And the next thing to do is to withdraw your money to your bank account. This is what you are going to do. You can see after my name here, after segment, you can see up here, you can see three line. Click on that three line. It will show you this option. You can see wallet. Click on wallet. And you can see add bank card. Do you understand right now? Click on add bank card and select the bank you are using, write your account number and click on submit. Do you understand? After you can see my OPay, my OPay here. I've added it to it. Do you understand? Then after that, come back here and click on withdraw. Then write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money and click on, you can see the confirm to withdraw. Let me write, for example, the minimum you can withdraw is 5,000 naira. You can see confirm to withdraw. Click on it, and after you click on it, in few seconds, your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. So this is how to sell your gift card on Carding app at high rate, guys. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. Like this video and also share it for more people to see. One love, guys.